Well, here we are, another job. This job here, someone else already came through. As you can see, they didn't do a very good job cleaning this up. Kind of looked like this. I looked at the job maybe, I don't know, 3 or 4 weeks ago. Stuff's already starting to come back, but supposedly the guy spent a whole day here. Really don't know what he did, but there's a creek down there the customer wanted to see. They did not get it cleaned out to the creek. Let me show this over here. The guy took his grinder. See this nice, I don't know what kind of tree, it's some kind of evergreen thing. It's like some kind of cedar. But he took his grinder, ran up and down the tree because he didn't want to get out and limb it up. I don't know if it's going to kill it or not, but we'll clean it up the best we can. Yeah, it's a mess. Just kind of pushed stuff over and left it. Charged the guy, I think, a lot of money to do it, and he said that's all I'm gonna do. Packed it up and left. He told me he wanted the fence cleaned off, and they already started cutting some, weed eating some of it off. But the guy ran through up here. He wanted that whole side cleaned off, but we'll get it. We'll show him how it's done. Ha, that's right. Well, just wrapped it up. Willie's up there blowing off the machine. Here it is. We found the other side. Trimming up a little bit off the fence there. Comes around. Back up over to here. He said that. The other guy said that's all you could do. But we got her done. Just looking down the other side here. And there we go. Going on to the next job.